Assalamu alaikum dear student of class 9. How are you? Hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Ahmadullah Hassan, senior teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. In previous lecture, I have solved some mathematical problems and discussed some definition of functions and relation. Today, I will solve some important problems of your general math exercise 2.2. So let's start our solution. Student, this is problem 10 of your book. Problem: if a equal to 3 4, b equal to 2 4 and x is in a and y is in b, then determine the relation x is greater than y in a and b set. If you determine the required relation from this condition, first of all you have to find the Cartesian product of set A and B. So look, let us consider the relation R. So according to the question, R equal to x comma y such that x is in A comma y is in B and our condition x is greater than y. X is greater than y. This is the initial relation of this question. Now I will find the required relation from this condition. So first of all I will find the cross multiplication between two sets, that means Cartesian product. So now A cross B equal to 3 4 into 2 4. So this implies this equal to 3 2 3 4 4 2 and 4 4. So according to the condition, the required relation is R equal to, here x is greater than y, so this is x, this is y, so 3 2, x is greater than y, and this is x y, so x is greater than y. So this is our answer. My dear student, this is problem 13. If f of y equal to y cube plus k y square minus 4y minus 8, then for what value of k will be f of minus 2 equal to 0? Given that f of y equal to y cube plus k y square minus 4y minus 8. So if we put y equal to minus 2, then minus 2 cube plus k minus 2 square minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. So plus 8 and minus 8 are cancelled. So we can write minus 8 plus 4k. Here we see that f of minus 2 equal to 0. So f of minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 4k equal to 0. This implies 4k equal to 8, k equal to 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So k equal to 2. This is our answer. Dear student, this is problem 15. Given that if given value, if f of x equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, then determine the value of f of 1 by x square plus 1 divided by f of 1 by x square minus 1. First of all, you have to find f of 1 by x square's value. Now look, given that f of x equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, so f of 1 by x square equal to 2 into 1 by x square plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 by x square minus 1. So we can write 2 by x square plus 1 divided by 2 by x square minus 1. This equal to least common multiple x square. So 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square by x square. So 2 plus x square divided by x square into x square divided by 2 minus x square. So here x square and x square are cancelled. So 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square. The value of 1 by x square is this. Now f of 1 by x square plus 1 x square minus 1, this equal to the value of f of 1 by x square is this. So 2 x square divided by 2 minus x square plus 1 divided by 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square minus 1. So 2 plus x square plus 2 minus x square divided by 2 minus x square divided by LCM 2 minus x square. So 2 plus x square minus 2 plus x square. So here x square minus x square and plus x square are cancelled, and minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled. So we can write 2 plus 2, that is 4 divided by 2 minus x square divided by x square plus x square, that is 2x square divided by 2 minus x square. So we can write 4 divided by 2 minus x square into 2 minus x square divided by 2x square. So here 2 minus x square and 2 minus x square are cancelled. So 4 divided by 2x square, 2 upon 4, that is 2. So 2 by x square, our answer. Our answer 2 by x square. This is problem 16. If g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x bar 4 divided by x square, then show that g of 1 by x square equal to g of x square. Now I will solve this problem. Look, given that g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square. If we put g of 1 by x square, then we can write 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole to the power 4 divided by 1 by x square. So we can write 1 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 8 divided by 1 by x power 4. So if we take LCM x power 8, so here x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by 1 by x power 4. So finally we can write x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 8 into x power 4 divided by 1. So x power 4 upon x power 8 cancel, that is x power 4. So we can write x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. So g of 1 by x square equal to this. Now I will find the value of g of x square. So again g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square. So g of x square equal to 1 plus x square plus x square whole to the power 4 divided by x square. So 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 8 divided by x power 4. So we see that g of x square value is 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 8 divided by x power 4, and g of 1 by x square values is x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. So this value and this value are same. So finally we can say left hand side equal to right hand side, that is g of 1 by x square equal to g of x square should. My dear student, this is problem 18. Express the following relations in tabular method and determine domain and range for each relation are equal to x, y such that x is in A, y is in A, and given condition x plus y equal to 1, where A equal to this. And number 2, if relation f equal to x comma y such that x is in C and y is in C, and given condition y equal to 2x, where C equal to this. Now I will solve problem 1. Look, given that this relation are equal to x comma y such that x is in A, y is in A, and x plus y equal to 1, and A equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now we have from given condition, now we have from given condition we can write y equal to 1 minus x. For now, for every x is in a, y equal to our given condition, y equal to 1 minus x, required value here x and y equal to 1 minus x. If we put x equal to minus 2, then if x equal to minus 2, then y equal to 3, x equal to minus 1, then y equal to 2, x equal to 0, y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. This is our value from our given condition. So here we see that E is not element of A. So we can write, since 3 is not element of A, so that minus to 3 is not relation of R. So our required relation is R equal to minus 1 2, 0 1, 1 0, and 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. This is our required relation. Now we shall find the value of domain and range from this required relation. So domain of R equal to the first element of minus 1 0 1 2, and range of R equal to, we can write 2 1 0 minus 1. This is our answer. Our second problem, f equal to x y such that x is in C, y is in C, and our condition y equal to 2x, where C equal to minus 1 0 1 2 and 3. According to the previous process, I will solve this problem. Here given that f equal to x comma y such that x is in C, y is in C, and our condition y equal to 2x, and C equal to minus 1 0 1 2 3. Now according to our condition, now our given condition is y equal to 2x. Now for every x is in C, y equal to 2x, then we can find our value according to this condition. So this is x and y equal to 2x. When we put x equal to -1, then y equal to -2, x equal to 0, then y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and x equal to 3, then y equal to 6. Here we see that -2, 4 and 6 is not element of C. So -2, 4 and 6 is not element of C. So that the relation -1, -2, 2, 4, 3, 6 is not of relation F. So our required relation is so the relation F equal to 0, 0 and 1, 2. So the domain of F equal to 0, 1 and range of F equal to 0, 2. This is our answer. Dear student, this is problem 23 of exercise 2.2. Y equal to f of x equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 is a function. Number 1, determine the value of f of minus half. Number 2, determine the value of f of x plus 2 divided by f of x minus 1. And number 3, prove that f of y equal to x. Now I will find the value of f of minus half. So look, given that f of x equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4. So replace x by minus half. So f of minus half equal to 4 into minus half minus 7 divided by 2 into minus half minus 4. So this is minus 4 by 2 minus 7 and 2 by 2 minus 4. So we can write minus 2 minus 7 divided by minus 1 minus 4. So this equal to minus 9 divided by minus 5. So minus and minus cancel. So we can write 9 by 5. This is our answer. Now look problem 2. determine the value of f of x plus 2 divided by f of x minus 1. So, given that our function f of x equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4. So, our finding value, I will find the value of f of x plus 2 divided by f of x minus 1. So, the value of f of x is this 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 divided by plus 2 4x plus minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 minus 1. So, LCM 2x minus 4. So, we can write 4x minus 7 plus 2 into 2x minus 4 divided by LCM 2x minus 4. So, 4x minus 7 minus 1 into 2x minus 4. Now, we can write 4x minus 7 plus 4x minus 8 divided by 2x minus 4 divided by 4x minus 7 minus 2x plus 4 divided by 2x minus 4. So, here we can write 4x plus 4x, that is 8x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 4 divided by 4x minus 2x, that is 2x minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3 divided by 2x minus 4. So, we can write 8x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 4 into 2x minus 4 divided by 2x minus 3. So, this 2x minus 4 and 2x minus 4 are cancelled. So, 8x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3. This is our answer. Problem 3, prove that f of y equal to x. Our given function, solution 3, given that f of x equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4. This is number 1 equation, and again we can write y equal to, and y equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4, number 2 equation. Now, we have from equation 1 f of x equal to 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4. If we replace x by y, then we can write f of y equal to 4y minus 7 divided by 2y minus 4. Now, putting the value of y in equation 3, putting the value of y in equation 3 we get f of y equal to 4 into y value 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 minus 7 divided by 2 into 4x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 minus 4. So 4 into 4x minus 7 minus 7 into 2x minus 4, our LCM 2x minus 4, and 2 into 4x minus 7 minus 4 into 2x minus 4 divided by 2x minus 4. So simplify this. 16x minus 28 minus 14x plus 28 divided by 2x minus 4 and 8x minus 14 plus minus 4 into 2x, that is 8x, minus minus and minus plus, so 16 divided by 2x minus 4. Now here we see that minus 28 and plus 28 are cancelled, 8x and plus 8x and minus 8x are cancelled. So we can write 16 minus 14, that is 2x divided by 2x minus 4 divided by minus 14 plus 16, that is 2 divided by 2x minus 4. So you can write 2x minus divided by 2x minus 4 into 2x minus 4 divided by 2. Here 2x minus 4 upon 2x minus 4 cancel, 2 upon 2 cancel. So this equal to x. So this is the value of f of y. So f of y equal to x. Proved.